Hi, back again with something I haven't done for a little bit, which is an unboxing and first impression. And I think that I have dressed for the occasion, maybe in red. And I picked this up from a place called Ultra, and it is this one right here. Paco Rabanne's UltraRED Man. There is an UltraRED woman as well, I think. It comes in like a little bowl-shaped one. Now this has been getting a little bit of hype lately, and that is because it used to be discontinued, and it used to be very pricey, as things that are discontinued generally are. I'm making this funny noise. And it's been brought back. And this is not a vintage batch or anything like that. It's a brand new batch, so they've redone it. It's still done by Puig in France. Yeah, but Puig is Spanish, so I don't know why this has been made in France. But anyway, UltraRED Man, let's check it out. I haven't really put my nose to this for a very long time, so let's see if it's what I remember. I should be better at this than I am now. Okay. Oh, finally got the hang of that. All right. Look at the box. It's got a little bit of embossing. Whatever. Who cares? As someone would say, I don't care about the box, and then they would smash it. But I'm not going to smash it because I like the box. I like having the box. I also like being able to open the box. Paco, let me open the box. Oh, cool. The box has instructions like this. Can you see those? They're instructions which says, don't pull the bottle apart. Don't do that. Instead, squeeze it. Thanks for that, Paco Rabanne and Puig. Let's have a look. Ooh, tacky. I love it though. It's like a staple gun. And oh, nice. Oh, yeah, good. Let me roll up a sleeve and let's pop this on here. I can zoom in like this. Should I do this? Okay. Bang, bang, bang! Like I'm shooting staples at myself. Oh boy, is that anise? Starburst? I'm pretty sure I've eaten this flavor of gummy jelly type of sweets before. It's really yummy. Awesome. It's like the color. It's UltraRED. Oh, it's actually pretty good. So I might give that a little bit of time to sort itself out, because the opening is actually quite nice. It's quite like a juicy jelly, kind of fruity orange rememinin. That used to be that. I'm totally gonna get sued for doing that, but I'll take the risk. Orange. Yeah, orange. There's orange, but it's not a. That's right. It's blood orange. Yum. And if you don't know, blood orange is like a more deeper sort of scent. It's more like the difference between grapes and wine, maybe. Yeah. Wine is just grape juice, isn't it? That's what it is. And this is, that's not bad, actually. I picked it up for pretty cheap, and I'm liking it. I think this is my second Paco Rabanne. I'm not a big fan of that house, but they do some quality off the beaten track stuff sometimes. And I do appreciate the bottle. The other one I've got is XS, which has got that flip top Zippo type of bottle. But I do like this one as well, because I love the tack, and you can put it there like this, and you can put it there like this. You can even do that if you wanted to. You can't do this because it'll break. Yeah, and I did check this batch. It is from 2020, so it is pretty damn fresh. And coming back to it, there was that little brief sort of hint of anise somewhere in the background, or is that something that I'm familiar with and I'm sort of relating it and I'm conflating the notes together? Is that vetiver in there as well? Perhaps, but yeah, Paco Rabanne, UltraRED, man, yeah, get it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't mind it at all. Ultra, you did your thing. Red top, I've done my thing. I'm matching with these things, and there you have it. Wait, before you have it, hold on. There's something else here. I'm getting some florals coming through. Yeah, it's almost like a white floral coming through. I don't know what it is. I haven't really paid that much attention to the note breakdown of this particular fragrance, so I don't really care. It was a very impulse buy. I walked into the shop, I saw it, I went, oh, it's red, I'll take that one. And there we have it. There it is. Yeah, blood orange, very juicy. Starburst, gummy jelly, yummy, fun. It is fun. It's not serious at all, not at all. It's about time we had some fun, isn't it? I certainly think so. Thanks for watching.